ideal case would be if my hypervisor or my Kubernetes management platform just came with a systems administrator built in. Can AI deliver something to me that comes close to that vision?
It's funny that you mentioned that, Torsten, and I know that you love the IBM term, which is a little bit older now, but we used to say autonomic computing all the time, right? I know that's a favorite term of yours. We're infusing AI into our IT operations processes now, and you'll hear later this year and earlier into next year where we then take those AI infused IT operations and also marry that with improving human labor automation. And we leverage technologies like RPA. We had an announcement just last week on an RPA acquisition at IBM. And so we did in that announcement talk about bringing Cloud Pak for multi-cloud management and Watson AIOps together with that technology. And so that really allows you to take action on the insights that Watson has found in your IT environment and really then get more ROI by applying that to automating the human labor processes that are involved with remediating and taking those next best actions.
And Priya, the reason why autonomic computing didn't work out so well in the 80s, right? 80s, was because we didn't have something like Watson that could just ingest unlimited data streams all the time from all different angles and figure out solutions for me, right? At the time, we had to kind of program and anticipate everything.
Yes, and keep in mind that I read a Gartner study that said just the volume of data that is being generated by different infrastructure is getting 2x, 3x every single year. So you have the volume, the velocity, the veracity of the data, all being really very different with the connected networked infrastructure that we have. And so artificial intelligence is the best way to be able to connect all those data points and come up with insights, deeper, meaningful insights that'll make superheroes out of every single IT operator and SRE. This is where technology really comes in handy to solve the growing problems, which will open the way for more innovation.
And Robin, the interesting part here is also that Watson can continuously learn at different levels, at the level of the organization, at the level of me as the individual operator or SRE, at the level of subject matter expertise, what there is to know about Kubernetes and VMware and DevOps and all of these things. And that's what makes this really powerful.
It definitely does. The beauty of Watson is that, as most people know, the algorithms to create Watson have been in IBM research for many, many years. And now we are in the business of applying that to specific disciplines like IT. So the algorithms are so rich and so powerful and can take points of data that you or I, Torsten, would never think of on our own to correlate together and find the patterns within that data. So we are excited to bring that to the IT space now and really show the power of Watson to IT operations teams.
And in the end, we are all going to call this Autonomic Computing 2.0 instead of AIOps, right? So
maybe not.
Thank you very much, Robin. Thank you, Priya.
Thanks, Torsten.
Thank you, Torsten.